on the lure.
Hold on.
Bub. Catfish on the lure. You're right. Yep. He was telling me on the way over here. That one? Oh, nice one. Yeah, baby. That one? Oh, nice one. Yeah, baby. Damn, bro.
Let's do another
Yeah.
nicey. Careful the hook. Oh, look, he ate my
The freak was that?
lines. Oh, he messed up my freaking.
That's what happened to the
Here, wait.
catfish.
Show me. Hold on, let me get it out.
We don't need to weigh it. It's probably like the same size.
Probably.
Like the exact same size.
Dude.
Yeah, that is like the exact
So
same
way over.
size.
There you go. Dang it, look at that.
It looks almost identical.
No. Oh, stupid. You stupid fishy.
Ooh. Oh, yeah.
Oh, wow.
Right on the shot list. You recording?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, buddy.
Can I hold it? Oh, my bail's open.
Go right in between those bushes.
He's a wiggler. He's a wiggler. Dude, there's a massive dead bass right here.
Dead?
Yeah. Look it.
What?
Well, I don't want to. Another one?
Yeah.
Well, dang.
Oh, this one's bigger. Oh, they're just fighting like crazy.
That one's bigger.
Are you recording? No, I mean, I felt like it was bigger. You are recording. You got the camera. This guy's a feisty little boy. Dude,
Wow.
that one felt like it was bigger. Holy smokes. That was cool.
I'm gonna try to get
Can you
this
see
dead
that?
one right here.
Dead bass? Yeah.
No, I don't think you can on camera. I would have to like put the GoPro in the water. Get it. Try to snag it.
I don't really want to touch it. Oh, you
Oh,
got it.
freak. I'm going to smell
Here, let me try, bro.
it. Oh, you got it. Oh, no. Ugh. I should probably turn the GoPro off. Oh.
Oh, this is a good one, I think. Dang, dude, they're just fighting like. Yeah, get bigger. Dude, they are feisty right now. Swim bait's getting a little messed up. The 6 pound mono, or I mean the 6 pound braid is amazing out here. Cause this water's so stained.
bigger.
Now I can hog them in, I feel comfortable. Woo! They're getting bigger. Oh, maybe they're getting bigger.
Ew, my
Right at the drop. Here, hold this one good. That was nice.
Yeah. It's a good one.
Okay, hold them on your thumb real hard. Squeeze them hard. Go show your dad. Oh, it's all right. You gotta squeeze them hard.
His teeth. Oh, that's a big one.
Has a little guy fighting like crazy, dude.
That thing's tiny.
Oh.
It was a tiny little.
Yeah. Oh no. Dude, they're fighters though. I'm telling you, dude. This one's not gonna get off. Jesus, buddy, you put up a hell of a fight. Choked it too. Yeah, baby little bass. Dude, he fought like crazy.
They're fucking hungry today, bro.
Yeah, there's. Oh, he's chomping on my finger. Come on, buddy, let me get this out of you. Hold on, buddy. There it goes. Dude, that was on the drop. He's coming right at me. That's crazy. That was right on the drop. Jeez, buddy, relax. Jesus. Dude, these things are serious right now. Second one on the drop again. 2 in a row. Smaller. Nice.
Good job, huh?
Wow.
Oh
Finally
my
got
God, I
a
barely
decent
got
kitty
it.
cat.
Damn.
Watch that hook. Oh, you got it right on the outside. Holy moly.
I
his
barely even
nose.
got him.
Right through the nostril.
Nice one, dude.
Dang.
That's a
Bigger
good
than a
one.
river.
Hey.
Good catch on the night crawler.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm
That's-
switching to a night crawler.
They feel big, huh?
It's kind of big.
Catfish? Hey, there's a broken lure. Anytime I drag. Oh yeah. Getting bigger, boys. This is on a broken lure. It's a nice bass. Yeah. On a broken lure. That's what's got a little more weight to it.
He looks pretty heavy.
Wanna give him a kiss?
Nope, but I definitely will hold him.
You wanna hold him? We'll hold him strong.
Hold him strong.
Really strong. Right, see that little in between there? Yeah, put your thumb in there and squeeze hard down. There you go. Wanna hold him up a little bit more? There you go. Nice. Okay. Oh,
No!
let's go let him back.
Frick.
He's trying to get back.
He just whacked my
Look,
nose.
he's finding his way back. There he goes.
He just whacked my nose.
Tore that thing up. I'm gonna still fish with. Little ones. I know, I'll get another one. They're looking up. This one's smaller.